A pleasant day. My name is Clarissa M. Casero. I am 30 years old. I am from Ocampo, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I am a happy single parent. I have one son ages 9 years old and one daughter ages 11 years old. My highest education attainment is college level. I have my working experience as a domestic helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 6 months. I serve one couple and two children ages 4 years old boy and 2 years old girl, and also adult ages 90 years old. I also serve as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 7 months. I serve one couple and 5 years old girl. I choose to be a nanny because I love taking care of the kids. I know it is a very big and important responsibility. Taking care and loving them is my top priority. I also know how to cook and always willing to learn other dishes in your country. I also do washing and ironing the clothes. I do clean the house very well. I also do gardening and washing the car and also marketing. I am trustworthy, very hardworking, and most of all, I have a long patience in the work and to taking care of the kids. To my future employer, please give me the chance to work with your family. I promise to do all the duties and responsibilities you have given to me, show my dedication and respect to you all the time. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.